Hello friend, this is 200 perfume making machine. Now I'm gonna introduce this machine for you. So after you get this machine, please make sure the power wires is connected. Let's check from this place. Okay. There have 4 wires you need to connect, like this 4 wires. These 3 red wires you need to connect with your factory power, and this blue wires is for the neutral wire. So just make sure this 4 wire is connected. And this is the compressor set. Okay, after that, please make sure your air source is connected by this side, like this tube. Okay, and this is the main tank for mixing and cooling. This is the mixing model. Let's check the inside this side. You can check this is the mixing paddle and condensate cone for cooling function. Okay, let's check the outside. This is the diaphragm pump for your product, like circulate back into the tank, or let your product go through this filter. Okay, this is the 2-stage filter. We will equip for you like this 2 pieces cartridge. So if you want to put this cartridge in this 2 small tank, just loosen this screw and take it out to put the cartridge inside this tank and loosen it. And close it. And this is 2 belts to show the pressure of this 2 small tank. And this is the frame filter. We also equipped with you like the vintage paper, like that. So you can loosen this part to open this frame to put the paper inside and close it. Okay, and let's check the control panel. On the left side, we'll equip with 2 belts to show the high pressure and low pressure of this machine, and they have some switch to control the function, like this is the power switch, the compressor switch, and the diaphragm pump switch, that means this part, and the mixing switch. And there have 2 buttons. When the machine in the high pressure, the red button will turn on automatically, and if your machine in the low pressure, the orange light will turn on to notice your machine in the low pressure. And this is the emergency stop. You can use it when there have some mistakes happens. And this is the main power. So let's check the functions. Now it's turned on, and turn on this power switch. Okay, and let's check the mixing function. Firstly, turn on the switch. Okay, and turn off, and turn on the compressor. When you turn on this function, there will have some delay time for this function. It maybe will take like 45 seconds. After that, the function will turn on. Okay, let's check this pump. Okay, now the compressor is working. Now turn off. For this pump, before you turn on this switch, you need to make sure this valve, there have some valve you need to clear. So let's check. For this pipe, it's for you. If you want to clean your tank, you can turn on this valve and turn on this valve to let the dirty water out. And if you only want to circulate your product, just make sure this valve is turned on and this valve is turned off, and this valve is turned on. Now it's turned off stage, and this valve is turned. This valve need to turn off, and this valve need to turn off, and then turn on this pump. After that, the product will comes out from here and through this pump and through this pipe go back to your tank. For this part, it only have circulate function, but if you want to filtering your product, you need to turn on this valve, turn off this valve, and turn on this turn off this valve and turn on this valve and turn on this valve, and then the product will go through this pipe, through this pump, and through this two-stage filter and frame filter, and then go back to the tank from this pipe, and go back to the tank. Okay, let's check. For now, we only circulate your product. So now turn off this valve and turn off this valve and turn on this valve. Okay, now turn on the pump switch. The product only circulates by this pipe. Okay, turn off. If you want to let your product go through this filter, need to turn off this valve and turn on this valve, turn on this valve, and then turn on the pump switch. Your product will go through here, through this pipe, through this tube filter, and go back to the machine. Okay, now turn off. And here is a temperature displayed. So this is the current temperature. You can set the temperature. You need to cooling down from here, like press this button and press this button to set the temperature need. Okay. And if you want to collect your products, you need to turn on this valve. Turn on and turn on this valve, and also this valve, and turn on the pump switch. After that, your finished product will come out from here and through this pump, through this two stage, and comes out from this pipe. Okay, that's it.